Hello friends. I am so embarrassed to show you this, but I'm gonna show you anyways. This is the state of my office craft room, sticker planner room, whatever you want to call it. So this basket we bought at for the hotel where we were staying, and I have two of these baskets. This is the small one. I have another one. They're very cute, so I'm gonna find a spot for them here. But this is what I was working with, some of it, because the other one it's downstairs. But I'm gonna just show you real quick. I'm so embarrassed, you guys. Look at this mess. Look at this mess. Oh my god. So this right here, you guys, this right here is the binder that I forgot. So I went ahead and laminated the vellum. This is from Oki Plans, and I do have a discount code and I leave it for you, okay? Oh, I'm recording the wrong way. Oh my gosh. Oh well. But oh my gosh, there's like stuff everywhere because I forgot a lot of things, and I have an unboxing here. I'll show you this in a second, okay? Let me flip you over. Flip you over and show you, okay? Okay friends, so I think you can see I haven't filmed in my room since there's bugs everywhere, you guys. Oh my gosh, there's spiders and such. In case you don't know, I live in Las Vegas, so we have a lot of dry land bugs and yeah, dust. We have a lot of dust too. Let me move all these goodies to the side. I'm gonna have to go over my budget binder with you guys. I'm gonna show you, or actually I'll do that on camera. We'll do it together. But today I want to show you, oh my god, my whole house is so dirty, you guys, because we were gone for how many months? 3 months. So it's very dusty. I actually cleaned my house before we left, but in 3 months you can only guess, right? All right, so the unboxing is from Aura Estelle, you guys. Oh my gosh, I actually gave you a sneak peek on Instagram, and if you would like to follow me, it's my same handle. It's Make Up Your Plan on Instagram, okay? So let's open this baby. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. As you guys know, or maybe you don't, Hobonichi just had their new release for 2024, and I don't know what planner I'm going to use for 2024. I don't know if I want the Avec or if I want the regular Hobonichi. Now the problem with the Avec, so the Avec is the one that comes in two books, January through June, and then the second book is July through December. So for people that use stickers, the more stickers you add to your Hobonichi, the chunkier and heavier it gets, right? So I think that the Avec, which is the two separate books, would be a great idea, a great planner to use. But I don't use my Hobonichi Cousin for on-the-go planning. I use it here at home, or well, at the hotel. For the past 3 months I've been using that. So I don't know if I should get the Avec or the regular, but anyways, what I wanted to do is I wanted to get the Aura Estelle A5 complete vertical, weekly vertical, to compare the paper and the layout to the Hobonichi Cousin. So the day that I order, they had a gift. Anything over $50, you get one gift. They have different tiers, right? So I'm gonna show you. I purchased the planner. Wait. Okay, this is the freebie stickers they send, and I also purchased this right here, which is the Rainbow Gradient Dashboards. You get 4 A5. Oh, A5 wide. I forgot they're bigger. It's okay because I can always cut this. Okay, so, and I got this for free. All right, so let's, this is so pretty. I mean, when I saw this online, and I've seen this before, this is my second purchase ever from Aura Estelle. My first one was my personal wide reins, which I love. Is the leather what? Rings. I just wanted a leather planner, so I think it's beautiful. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that A5 wide, but we'll see what happens. I was gonna sell it, but now I don't know. All right, so here, let's take a look. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this envelope, you guys. I can do something with it. Okay. Look at this dashboard. So it's a set of 4. I think I paid $14 for this. Yeah. Oh, they feel so nice. Yeah, they're beautiful. Oh, yes, I forgot. They're double-sided. Look at that. Okay, and this one. Wow. It feels like once. Oh, okay. So this side is glossy and this side is matte. Okay. So this is the glossy side, the matte. Beautiful. Glossy and matte. Oh my gosh. They're beautiful dashboards. I love this design. It's really pretty. Okay, so I got that. The freebie stickers that they sent with your order. I think they send with every order you get that. Yeah, that's a thank you sampler. And with my purchase, I also got this charm for free. Look how pretty is their signature cloud. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. So beautiful. I love this pale pink. It's really pretty. Awesome. And the planner. Let's see. Oh, here. Okay. So I love this packaging. This is really nice. It's a really pretty pink. Oh, and the planner is a very pale light pink. So now this is like the Hobonichi, which is a soft cover. Okay, and it's fake leather. What do you call this? Vegan leather. And this is the complete weekly vertical. So this is undated. You have the layout here. This is undated. And what I know is that this paper, it's a heavier paper than the Hobonichi. Let's go to the back. Let me see. Let me just... Yeah. This one is a little bit stiffer than this one because this one per weight is heavier than this paper, the Hobonichi. Now the color is very similar. Let me see. It's a tad, yeah, it's a little bit lighter, yes. So this is more white than this one. This is creamier. Let's see the other pages. Yeah. It's very hard, like it's very faint, okay? The difference is very, oh no, I already bent the page. Oh, the difference is very minimal. But yes, this one's a little bit lighter. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, we have the calendars. Then we have a page, just a grid page. Then you start with the perpetual calendar here. So these are the pages like the Hobonichi, but you don't have any color. I like that. Now we have a blank page here. Oh, 2 blank pages. and we start the monthlies here. So we have the monthly calendar with the sidebar on the left side. Now these pages are not numbered, okay? After the monthly calendar, you have 2 blank grid pages, and you have all of the months together. Yep. Okay, so all of the months are together. Let's see. Okay, so this is the last month right here. Okay, so after the month, you have, again, 2 blank pages, but they're grid. After that, you have your week. And is this per month or is this? Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, I didn't know this. I didn't know that after the weeks, you have blank pages. ¿Qué pasó, chiquita? So you have the weeks start on a Monday. What about the months? Oh, there's nothing on the months. Okay, so the weeklies start on a Monday, and you have your this week column on the left, and it's followed by 2 blank pages. Okay, so the last week is right about here. Yes. So after the last week, we have some blank pages. Okay, so this would not be enough for dailies, like for the whole year, but you do have those 2 blank pages after each week, and you do have 2 blank pages after every month, the monthlies. Okay, this would be more for notes or, you know, things like that. And we are finished. Okay, all right, so this layout is not exactly what I wanted. I do like the fact that it doesn't have any color, which is great. I do like the paper weight. It's not as glossy, okay? It doesn't feel as smooth as the Hobonichi Cousin, and it's a thicker weight, which is fine. I'm fine with that. If you guys know of a A5 planner that has the months, the weeks, and some dailies, or just note pages all together, please let me know. Please leave me a comment, because that's what I thought this planner was gonna have. I totally forgot that the months are all together and the weeks are after all of the months. So the main thing that I don't like about the Hobonichi Cousin is this red column right here. So every Sunday, and I think on their holidays or something else, they added this red. See, every Sunday you have this red blocks. I don't like that. I think it's too much color. Now these colors right here, they're not as bright. See, this purple plummy color is nice. This is not too bright, but the red here, I don't like it. It's too much. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so we'll see. I don't know what planner I'm gonna use for next year, but this is a contender. I like the size, I like the cover, I like the font, the color, the paper. It feels good. I just wish the layout was what I've been looking for, which is everything in 1 month, but we'll see. We'll see what we're gonna do. All right, friends, so that was just a quick unboxing. I just wanted to show you what I got from Aura Estelle. This charm is so pretty. I'm gonna add it to my planner, to my rings. Oh my gosh, so cute. And I'm gonna have to cut this to fit my A5. I think that everything's really good quality, and even though the layout is not exactly what I'm looking for, I think this is a really nice planner. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and like always, I will see you on the next one. Bye.